Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you how I created this soft glam look using NYX Cosmetics products only, and I'm also so excited to bring you yet another giveaway where you could win all the NYX Cosmetics products used in this tutorial. So if you want to know how to recreate this look and how you could enter to win the giveaway, then continue watching. I'm starting off by prepping my skin with Honey Dew Me Up Primer, which creates a luminous base for makeup and also gives that radiant skin effect. Then I'm applying a blending foundation all over my face and neck. For my eyebrows, I will be using the micro brow pencil in brunette, and ta-da! My eyebrows are now nicely shaped and defined. Okay, let's move to the eyes. I'm starting with Love You So Mochi eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking up this pink shade first, and I'm going to go ahead and pack it on my eyelid, not going past the crease. Now I will be using the copper shade from the palette and applying it towards my outer V of the eye. And then with a clean blending brush, I will blend the color into the crease for a very smooth transition. Now I'm switching to the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Ombre, and I will be using the purple shade from the palette to run it across my upper lash line, making it thicker at the outer corners for that lifted eye effect. Once most of the color is distributed on the lash line, I'm also taking it into my crease now to create like an almond eye shape. And then just blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm going to use the grayish black shade, and I will be intensifying the lash line to create a diffused line and also that ombre effect. Switching back to the Mochi palette, I'm picking up the pastel pink color, and just using my finger, I will go ahead and apply to the center of my lid to create a nice pop of brightness and color. I ran a black liner on my waterline off camera, and I applied some individual lashes as well, and now it's the time to conceal the under eyes using the HD Studio Concealer. I'm using the shade 03, and I really like that it has peachy undertones, so it helps mask out all the redness underneath my eyes. I'm also applying the concealer to all the areas on my face where I want to bring in more light. And then with a beauty blender, I'm blending everything out. Just beat that face. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour my face with the Wonder Stick in Universal. The formula is really creamy, which makes it super easy to blend into the skin, and it's so seamless. Next, I'm using the highlight part of the stick, and I'm running it onto the bridge of my nose and on the highest point of my cheeks and on my cupid's bow to highlight those areas as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the HD finishing powder. For my lips, I'm using Lingerie liquid lipstick in color Push Up, which is a perfect brown spice color that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I'm wearing it all the time. Lastly, I'm spraying my face with a Dewy Finish Setting Spray to refresh the look and add more dewiness to the skin. And this is the finished look. I hope you like it, and now let's move on to the giveaway rules. Okay, so you can win all of these amazing products, and in order to win, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. You have to send a link to this tutorial to one of your friends to offer them a chance to enter as well. And lastly, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and tag your username in the comments section below so I can see and check your entry. And that's it. Good luck everyone, and I see you soon in my next video. Bye bye!